ब्रेक के बाद आपका स्वागत है। बात कर लेते हैं बूस्टर डोज की। टाइम्स नेटवर्क की ग्रुप एडिटर नाविका कुमार ने आईसीएमआर के प्रमुख बलराम भार्गव की नई किताब गोइंग वायरल से जुड़े एक इवेंट में भारत के टॉप मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट से बातचीत की। इस परिचर्चा में स्वास्थ्य विशेषज्ञों ने कोविड के खिलाफ भारत की लड़ाई पर अपने विचारों को साझा किया और इस दौरान नीति आयोग के सदस्य वीके पॉल ने नाविका कुमार से बातचीत करते हुए कहा कि बूस्टर डोज पर फैसला वैज्ञानिक आधार पर होना चाहिए। वीके पॉल ने कहा कि बूस्टर खुराक की जरूरत है या फिर नहीं, इस पर स्टडीज चल रही हैं और फिलहाल अभी देश को पूरी आबादी को वैक्सीन की दोनों खुराकें देने पर ही ध्यान केंद्रित करना चाहिए।
Let me ask you, Dr. V.K. Paul. Many people say that we're not talking about an impending wave or a booster shot because politically it might not be viable for us to go in for a booster shot because अभी लोग बाकी हैं फर्स्ट और सेकंड डोज देने के लिए, इसलिए हम नहीं कर रहे. Whereas studies have shown that a booster shot or a third shot increases the efficacy in the region of 90s. That's an Israeli study that has come out. So I want to ask you, is this a political question or are we really being advised by the doctor and the scientific community on the booster dose?
Navika, this is clearly a science question first and foremost. You know, please appreciate the hope when you take a decision for an additional dose, it has to be based on sound information, and there are many aspects to it. For example, it has to be different for different vaccines, perhaps. We can plausibly think like that. So a data from Israel for vaccine A may not apply to vaccine Covishield or Covaxin. That's what we are dealing with. What about the duration? Is it 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, or 9.5 months? We don't have the data. People have done studies to say at 6 months, if you give the booster, that's their study, it boosts up the immunity. But did I need it at 6 months? So that's a different kind of science. We assure you that this aspect is very, very systematically and deeply being examined on an ongoing basis, practically on a weekly and a bi-weekly basis. We are looking at the data systematically. We are watching how it has to be done. There are studies being done at this very time by the manufacturers and companies, his as well as Covishield, and they have volunteer follow-ups taking place. There are studies with the THSTI has instituted to look at the natural recipients of the vaccine and track their immunity. So this is work in progress. But please appreciate that as of now, the vaccine priority for any nation for a booster happens once you have given the 2 doses to a large population. If that work is not complete, the new entrants create a problem. And of course, on a different dimension, there is also a moral dilemma that there are people who are waiting to receive the first few doses, and you go out and use your energy to give another dose to some people who are more vocal about it. So the short answer to this is it's a scientific journey. You all know that from most nations and even WHO, we are still in the gray zone of finding out the right moment, the right timing, and the right stage at which of the national vaccination program when boosters have to be given. This is work of science, and please have faith in us. We don't have a dearth of vaccines now. We can work it out. And in any case, the boosters don't have to be given to the entire population tomorrow. It will be timed according to when you received it. It can be panned out. It's not a catastrophe in that sense. And we have the capacity with the vaccine, the stockpile that we have. But it has to be done once the science says it should be done, and we assure you that is exactly the work that we are doing on, I would say, bi-weekly basis. The last time we met is only 36 hours ago.
डेटा प्रोटेक्शन बिल पर जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी की रिपोर्ट पर विपक्ष